In this video, I want to show you 5 Nigeria websites that will pay you every day to carry out tasks for them. Now, please note that this also works for other related Africa countries. Now, I'm doing this video because my audience are heavily based on Nigeria. But if this video is not related to your country or you don't find your country in this category, please make sure you let me know in the comment section because I'm going to document a video that is related to your country. Note that this platform will not make you millions overnight. And remember, work is required. Now, do well to consider this as a side hustle and a side income for you along the way. So with this said and with all this cleared, let's jump right into my laptop screen right now as I share this 5 platforms to you and walking you through on how you can get started with them. So let's dive into them.
So guys, now these 5 Nigeria platforms are going to pay you every single day to do simple tasks for them. And this platform pay you to complete simple surveys and do simple tasks for them, right? And these platforms are legit and they pay you into your local bank account, even if you are from outside Nigeria. So I'll be walking you through these 5 platforms and how you can get started with them. And the first platform I have on my list right here is called Social Hennies. All right. As the name implies, social earnings, this platform pays you to do simple social media tasks for them. As the name implies, social earning is a workspace platform connecting advertisers and earners. Now, advertisers are those who want to grow their social media platform, by posting tasks for earners to perform, e.g., following of accounts, liking of their posts, etc. And the earners are those that are paid by doing simple tasks on social media, e.g., following accounts, liking posts, and all of that. And these are things you do almost every single day when you take up your phone in the morning, just liking posts and commenting on social media accounts. Now, this platform will easily pay you to do these things you do every day. As you can see right now, see how much can I make on social earnings. As you can see, there is no limit to the amount you can make on social earnings, right? You can work and earn as much as you want. Many freelancers come to social earning to earn full time, while others earn part time, utilizing their free time. All right, all you have to do is to ensure you add your social media account and they are verified. All right, you also earn more money when you engage in referrals, which gives you 300 naira on each user you refer. So guys, this is what this platform is all about, right? You can make a lot of money from this platform by just liking social media accounts, doing the simple things you do. And if you come to this very platform, you can as well go through all their process right here, and they are frequently asked questions. As you can see right now, when can I withdraw my earnings on social earning, right? You are eligible to withdraw your money anytime you reach the minimum amount, which is 1,000 naira. No referrals needed, and your withdrawal will be sent to your selected added bank account. It's very simple, right? It's very simple. And how do I get started with social earnings? To get started right here, this is how you can get started. The step 1 is to activate. Step 1 is to register as an earner, all right? And step 2 is to activate your account by making a one-time payment of 1,000 naira, and you can now earn massively from our platform. Now, step 3 is to add your account and withdraw your funds into your local bank account without any referrals required. Payment delivered in seconds and all of that, right? And if you want to register as an advertiser, step 1 is to register as an advertiser. Step 2 is to fund your wallet by making a deposit, all right? And step 3 is to post your task by choosing our different available social media accounts. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to sign up, and you want to sign up an account with them. All right, click on sign up and sign up an account with them. Signing up an account with them is very simple. Just go through the simple process and boom, you already have your account ready. As you can see, the first thing to do right here is to put in your first name, your last name, your username, then you put in your email address, and you're going to put in refer by Norma, right? You're going to put refer by Norma right here. Once you have done that, you put in your password, right? Once you put in your password, then you want to register as either a earner or an advertiser. So you are here to earn, you click on earner, then you register an account with them. It's very simple. In my next video, I'll be dedicating that video on this very platform, sharing with you how you can register your account properly and how you can perform tasks, how you can activate your account, and also how you can withdraw your money on this very platform. So let's jump right into the second platform right now. And the second platform we have on our list is called SideGig. Now, SideGig has been on ground for a very long time, and this platform is so legit, and they have paid their users a huge sum of money. As you can see right now, this is their activities in 2022. They have paid their users over 100 million plus, right? And they have initiated over 185,000 campaigns with over 6,300 businesses. Right now, imagine a platform that has paid over 100 million plus in just 1 year. Right, that's a very great platform to start making money from, and you can easily make money from this platform as a freelancer or as a business owner. As a freelancer is in a way that you are coming here to perform simple tasks and you are getting paid by doing so. And as a business owner, you are here to post your business and get more people to engage what you are doing. Very simple. And as you can see right now, get more retweets, more profit, more engagement, and all of that. Now, to get started with this platform is very simple. All you have to do is to click on this get started button, and it's going to take you to a page where you are going to register either as a freelancer or as a business owner. As you can see right now, this is the freelancer part and there's the business part. So to get started, the first thing you have to do is to either click on freelancer or business. If you are doing as a business, click on business right here. But if you are doing as a freelancer, you want to click on freelancer right here. Then you click on get started. It's going to take you to a separate page where you are going to put in your details, your username, your email address, your password, and your referral username. You want to put in my name right there. I will leave everything down in the description, the referral name to use and how you can get started with it. Everything will be linked down in the description below, right? So if you want me to create a simple videos on this separate platform, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to create a simple video for each of this platform for you. So let's jump right into the next platform. And if you are getting value from this video, I will encourage you right now to smash that like button. Thank you in advance. And if you have not joined the community, this is the best time to hit that subscribe button right there. And don't forget to like the video. So let's jump into the next platform right away. And the next platform we have on our list is called Freebase. Now, what a wonderful time to meet them, giving out free live chicken, right? As you can see right now, I say Christmas giveaway. We are giving out 100 live chicken, right? And if you scroll down, you are going to see that you are going to see how you can claim yours. Now, there's no best time right now to jump to this platform right now to claim your live chicken, right? And this is free. It's free. They are giving out 100 free live chicken. I've go through the procedures, and I believe you to go through the same. You can be a part of this giveaway right now if you jump into this platform right now. So let's just jump into what this platform is all about. Now, this platform is called Freebase. As you can see, work online and earn daily in dollar and naira. Now, this very platform right now works for all countries. It does not matter if you are from Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, South Africa, whatever country you have. So I'm not just creating this video for just Nigerians alone, but also other related countries. As you can see, welcome to Freebase. Freebase was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs online on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Use Freebase to answer surveys, play games, and install applications to make money online daily. On Freebase, you can hire workers and increase your business visibility, organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all of that. Right? This is how it works. Now, this is how this platform works. The first thing you have to do is to sign up an account, right? Sign up an account. And as you can see right now, they have over 64,500 jobs available, and they have over 88,000 plus users, and they have completed over 92,000 jobs right on this very platform. And these are some recent payout withdrawals, right? As you can see, someone just withdraw 7,600, another person withdraw over 435 naira, 531 naira, 435 naira, and all of that. Right now, this platform pays you rate time. I've made some good money from this platform. That is why I'm fully recommending this platform to you to start making money for yourself. Now, these are you can start earning. These are the frequently asked questions. You can just go through them to see them for yourself. Now, to register on this platform is very simple. Come over here right now, click on register right now. You can put in your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number. Then you can select the country you are from. As you can see, this platform covers almost all the countries you can ever think of, right? And you can just come here, put in your password, and you click on register your account. So it's very simple and it's very straightforward. And if you want me to also create a separate videos dedicated for this platform alone, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that for you, my friend, right? So let's jump into the next platform. And if you are also getting value from this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks in advance. And the next platform we have on our list right now is called Naira Workers. Now, Naira Workers has been the OG in the game, right? This is a platform, this is a popular platform you can make money from by doing simple social media tasks. I use this platform a lot in the past, and I'm still using it right now, and they are still paying real time. And as you can see right now, they have over 200,000 tasks completed. Small gigs, big results. A crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses like you. So if you come down right here, as you can see, you can join as a business owner or you can join as a freelancer. You can just come here, sign up and join as a business owner, promote your content, install mobile app, subscribe to YouTube channels, and you can join as a freelancer, take survey, write a honest review, and test an app and follow social media account. It's simple as ABC. Now, these are examples of tasks you can see on the platform. As you can see, these are tasks and this is their pay, and you can just go ahead and view jobs and you can start earning on this very platform right now. Now, to get started with this platform is very simple. All you have to do is to come over to this very top button right here, click on register right here at the top right corner. Once you click on register, you are going to see a section where you are going to put in your name, your first name, your last name, your username. Then you can put in your password. You can put in your referred by who, register, and sign up. So that way you have an account with them, right? So also let me know if you want me to create a separate videos on Naira workers. Just write it on the comment section. Evans, I want you to create a separate videos on Naira workers. Right. So let's move down to the last platform we have on our list right now. So the last platform we have on our list right now is called Owo Daily. Now, Owo Daily is a very popular platform so you can make money from. Now, this platform also support people outside Nigeria. So if you're from outside Nigeria, this is great news for you to start making money from the comfort of your home. As you can see, this platform happens to be one of the best platforms you can start making money by doing simple social media tasks. And this platform is already features on Business Day, The Guardian's, Market Watch, and Business Insider. As you can see right now, members earn daily, complete micro jobs, affiliate and cashback offers. Right, as you can see, they say daily micro job offers, high commission and affiliate sales. And this platform is a very unique platform and a very best platform to get started with. All right, as you can see, join the community of empowering 29,000 plus members to earn commission and cashback. How does it work? So let's go through. So how does it work? Step one, quickly earn as a beginner with micro jobs. Your first payout made easy, right? Step two, get cashback on local days and earn commission as an affiliate. And step three, hire our members to grow your business by offering cash reward. And step four, never wait long for hard-earned commission. Members get paid weekly. As you can see right now, this platform has been on ground since 2020. As you can see, rewarding members since 2022. Their members affiliate influencers are over 29,000 plus, and micro jobs completed is over 2.8 million jobs completed. That is so crazy, guys. That's so crazy. And these are what members are saying concerning this platform. You can just go through them yourself and just know how far this platform is. Now, to become a member is very simple. You come over here right now, you click on become a member by the top right corner, click on it. So once you click on it, you just have to fill in your details right here. So you put in your full name, your email address, your username, and you click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you to where you're going to select your countries. And this platform support countries like UK, US, and other countries, right? You are going to activate your account, the activation fee, right? Because the benefits of this platform is very wide. So guys, these are the 5 Nigeria platforms that will pay you every day by doing simple tasks online, right? Now, some of these platform requires you to pay an activation fee to activate your account. Now, platform like Social Any, which is the first platform, requires you a 1,000 naira activation fee to get started. Now, platform like SideGig is free. Also, platform like Freebase requires you 1,000 naira also to activate your account. And platform like Naira Workers is free, and platform like Owo Daily requires you around 3 to 5,000 naira to activate your account. Now, this money you are paying to activate this account is nothing compared to what you will. Is nothing compared to how much you'll be making from this platform. If you are serious every day, you could be making nothing less than 5,000 naira every single day from each of these very platform. You can consider this as a side hustle and as a side income for you, and you can even make it a full-time job if you have all the time for yourself. So these 5 platforms right here are going to pay you every day by doing simple tasks if you are living in Nigeria or other countries. So I believe you find value from this video. If you do, please don't forget to smash that like button. That is very helpful for me and I appreciate that a lot. And join the community for weekly videos. And if you want me to create a separate videos on each of these platforms, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to consider that. So with that said, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.
So this 5 platform will literally pay you to carry out simple tasks for them. And I know this video was helpful to you. And if you got value, please, it's important to like this video. All right, it's very important. And if you have not joined the community or the family, feel free to subscribe. You are not paying anything for that. So with that said, if you want to learn more ways on how you can make money online, I have put together all these on a playlist for you, showing you different kind of ways you can start making money online. So click here right now to access that playlist, and I'm going to be seeing you right here in this playlist showing right here. Bye for now.